Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to link your TikTok account to Facebook page. So you have to go to the Facebook page first. Okay, this will be like this at first. So you have to make sure that you are on Facebook page, not your regular Facebook account. Okay, so how you can check this? You have to go to this account option, which is top right corner profile icon. Click on this and you'll find here your Facebook name, which is your general Facebook account, and your Facebook page name. You have to click on that Facebook page name and it will switch to your Facebook page account, and it's look like this. Then you have to go to this top left corner, this Facebook page name, click on this and you'll find here about. Just go to about, scroll down a bit and you'll find here website links and social links. You have to click on this pencil icon and then you have to click on add social link. Then you have to click on this drop down menu. From this you have to select TikTok. Then you have to paste the URL of your TikTok here, or you can use your username here. Okay, after that you have to click on save. After clicking on save, you have added your TikTok account here. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.